I'm going to tell you the 3 biggest misconceptions about Zillow. I'm going to correct those misconceptions for you and tell you how you can work around the system for your benefit. Which brings us to misconception number 2, the Zestimate. People think that the Zestimate is an accurate pricing for their home, a home value. I got to tell you, they've tightened it up and they're doing better. Right now, they say that their Zestimates are about 7% plus or minus. To me, that sounds like 14% off of what the value could be. They haven't been in your house. They don't know that you've upgraded the countertops. They don't know that you've got a finished basement. They use about 20 or more different information portals, such as the tax records, the title companies, the past sales, everything going on, and a computer puts that all together and just shoots out a price. So the misconception is that the Zestimate is the value of that house. The value of your house is what somebody's going to pay for it. Now, we're also going to need an appraiser to see that as well. So you really need to talk to a local professional, again, to help you come up with that value and give suggestions on maybe what can increase that value a little bit or what it should sell for. So there's no substitution for a human actually being in your house and seeing what's there, someone who has the knowledge and the experience. Which brings us to